Welcome back. We're going to be having a new kid on the block. It's a city gas distribution company. The name of the company is IRM Energy Services. It's a 500 crore IPO and it will be launched tomorrow. This is entirely a fresh issue, 500 crore, or is there going to be an offer for sale?
No, it's entirely a fresh issue of shares. This is a new IPO which opens tomorrow, goes on till 20th of October. Interestingly, after Mahanagar Gas that issued its IPO in 2016, this is the first time a city gas distribution company will be coming up with an IPO. Just some details. The issue size is between 517 to 544 crore rupees. The price band is between 480 to 505 rupees. And post-issued implied market cap would be anywhere between 1900 to 2000 crore rupees. As we earlier pointed out, it's completely a fresh issue and there is no offer for sale in this one. As we mentioned, it's a city gas distribution company. Now, it operates in Punjab, Daman and Diu and Tamil Nadu versus a Mahanagar Gas which is in Maharashtra, IGL which is in Delhi, or Gujarat Gas which is in Gujarat. And company basically develops natural gas distribution projects in the geographical areas which are allotted to them. For now, these are the three geographical areas that they have. It is across the board for industrial, commercial, domestic and automobile users, something that the other peers also do right now. The promoters of the company, interesting names here, Cadila Pharmaceuticals, there is Dr. Rajiv Indravadan Modi and IRM Trust. These three are the major promoters of the company. And the usage of the proceeds that company will be raising, 307 crores will be for capex, where they will be issuing more they will be putting on more CNG stations or PNG network in Tamil Nadu, and payment of borrowings as well to the tune of 135 crore rupees. Now, quickly taking a look at their financials as well, they did see a substantial growth from FY22 to FY23. It's almost doubling of revenues that they saw. On a quarterly basis, they are tracking around 245 crore rupees. In terms of margins, after seeing margins of 38% in FY21, it sharply fell to levels of 12%, largely led by higher gas costs that we saw as well. But this is a bigger margin fall that we've seen here, something that happened with the industry as well. It recovered to levels of 17.8% in Q1. Now, going to profits, they did see fall in profits from 128 crores to 63 crores in FY23, which was still more than FY21, right now tracking around 27 crore rupees. Their borrowings as on June 30th stood at 321 crore rupees according to the RHP, and volume stood at 196.43 MMSCM. Now, since it is a city gas distribution company, it's fair to compare it with the other players as well, the listed ones. If we talk about valuations, it's on the cheaper side, in line with Mahanagar Gas, which is the cheapest in the city gas distribution space at 14 times, which compares with MGL at 13 times. The most expensive is Gujarat Gas at 20 times, and in line with IGL as well. But their margins are the lowest in the industry currently. So MGL is the highest with 18.8%. We have something like IGL at 16.2% and Gujarat Gas at 14.2% as well. Their profitability is also the lowest in the listed players right now. Now, other important points would be that they have exclusivity in the CNG and PNG geographical areas. They source gas from Reliance Industries and GAIL. Majority of their revenues come in from CNG segment, which is 49% of revenues, or volumes 46% from PNG. And company typically requires 15 to 18 months to generate their revenues in their geographical areas. Now, there are some risks as well, which the investors should be very well aware of. There are 2 criminal investigations or litigations, 29 regulatory actions and 12 material tax litigations which are going on against the company. And there has been previous issuance of shares. And interestingly, they've been done at much cheaper or lower price than what the IPO is priced at right now. In October 2021, they issued shares to 3 of the entities, which is Cadila Pharma, which is their promoter, IRM Trust and Enertech Distribution at 42.5 rupee per share. And right now, they're pricing the IPO above that 500 rupee mark. So this really is something that investors should keep on their mind, because it's a big difference that we are seeing. So this is something that the management should clarify as well, that how did the valuation change so much in just last 2 years?
Interesting. Thank you for highlighting that. Let's get to our mid-cap spotlight story.